Most people will spend their entire lives feeling like they're missing something, and they'll die never figuring out what it was. And that's not dramatic, that's a statistical reality. Studies on end-of-life regret consistently show the same thing. The number one regret is not, I worked too hard. It's, I never figured out what I was supposed to do with my life, and here's what makes it worse. Most people are trying to find their purpose. They're journaling, they're meditating, they're taking personality quizzes, and they're still stuck. And not because they're lazy, because they're asking the wrong question entirely. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna give you 5 steps that actually work, and I need to warn you, step 2 is gonna feel completely backwards. Most self-help advice tells you the opposite, but it's the one that changes everything. Let's go. Step 1, stop asking, what's my passion, and start asking, what problem am I built to solve? Passion is a terrible compass, and it changes. It disappears the moment something gets hard. But problems, the specific ones that make your blood boil, the ones that make you think, why doesn't anyone fix this? Those are stable. Those are data. Here's your exercise. Write down 3 moments in your life where you felt genuinely useful. Not happy, useful. What were you doing? Who were you helping? What problem were you solving? There's a pattern hiding in those 3 answers, and that pattern is the first clue. Step 2, look at your pain, not your joy. I told you this would feel wrong. Every motivational poster tells you to follow your bliss. But the research on people who report high life purpose, Viktor Frankl studied this in literal concentration camps, shows that purpose is almost always forged through suffering, not comfort. Ask yourself, what's the hardest thing you've ever gone through? And then ask, is there a version of your life where that experience becomes the reason you help other people? Your deepest wound is often a direct arrow pointing at your purpose, and don't look away from it. If this is already clicking for you, hit subscribe, because everything I'm about to show you in steps 3 through 5 builds directly on this foundation, and you're going to want the rest. Step 3, find the intersection. There's a concept from Japanese philosophy called ikigai, your reason for being. It lives at the overlap of 4 things: what you're good at, what you love, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. But forget the full model for now. Just focus on the first 3. Take that problem from step 1 and that pain from step 2. Now ask, do I have a skill, even a basic one, that connects to solving this? It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to exist. That intersection, problem plus pain plus skill, is where your purpose starts to take shape. Step 4, identify your effortless edge. This one's subtle but powerful. There's something you do that feels completely normal to you, but when you do it around other people, they look at you like you have superpowers. Teaching, seeing patterns, making people feel safe, simplifying complex ideas, organizing chaos, and ask 5 people who know you well, what do you come to me for that you wouldn't go to anyone else for? Their answers will feel obvious to you. That's the point. Your effortless edge is invisible to you because it's always been there, but it's extraordinarily visible to everyone around you. Step 5, stop searching, start testing. This is where most people fail. They treat purpose like a treasure buried somewhere that they just have to find. But purpose isn't found, it's built. It gets confirmed through action, not reflection. Pick one direction that comes out of steps 1 through 4 and run a 90-day experiment. Volunteer somewhere, start a side project. Teach one person what you know. You are not committing to this forever. You're just collecting evidence. Purpose crystallizes through doing, not thinking. Here's the truth, nobody tells you purpose isn't a destination, it's a direction. The moment you stop waiting for a lightning bolt and start moving toward the thing that makes you feel most alive, that's when your life actually begins. You now have the map. The only question is whether you use it.